What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Weasley.
Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Weasley.
Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron, Ron,
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, ooh, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, yeah,
Snape.
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, ooh, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, that's me,
Snape.
Harry,
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 Hermione!
Snape.
Harry
Hermione.
Potter, I'm Harry
Hermione.
Potter, I'm Harry
Hermione.
Potter, Harry Potter,
Singing our song all day long at
Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.